page number 132. Page number 132. Question number 15 I have done here. Then I will come back to question number 14. But question number 15 is a very lengthy calculation. That's why I have done. Question number 15 I have done. Question number 16 you have to do. Question number 15 you have to see A matrix is equal to given. Show that A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11 into I matrix, identity matrix equal to null matrix, and hence find A inverse. Okay, this question, same question, board has asked 6-mark question. How they asked, let me explain. First, let me explain this question. Now, anyhow, if we need to find A cube, then we have to find A square into A, that is first A square, A into A, that's I have done the calculation here. Now, A cube, A square into A, so that is A square, we have find already A square into A matrix, I multiplied by both, I am getting that answer. And then next we need A square minus, A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I equal to 0. Equal to 0 means null matrix, understood, don't say 0. Now I have taken the equation, this is A cube, this is A cube. So I have replaced all the values A cube, and then I multiplied by A square by 6, and then 5A plus 11 I have written here. Anyhow, if I do calculation, I am getting null matrix. If you are getting null matrix, then only we can proceed. Otherwise, it is not at all possible. Now and hence find A inverse they are asking. So I have written here, since A cube minus 6A square plus 5A plus 11I equal to 0, that's we have proved. And hence means I told you, with the help of this one, whatever you have proved, with the help of that one, we have to find A inverse. Not minor, not cofactor, not using elementary operation. Mind it, ये mistake बच्चे frequently करते हैं. And hence का मतलब use it previous one, then bring the result whatever they are asking, desired result. So we need A inverse. I'm multiplying by both sides A inverse. I'm opening this, result already I have done for 2 questions here. A inverse into A, we will get identity matrix. That's why I have written directly here A square. Now inverse into A inverse into A, we will get identity matrix. One A is remaining, I have written here. A inverse into A identity matrix. Now if we multiply by any identity matrix, we will get the same matrix equal to null matrix. Then 11 A inverse equal to 6A minus A square minus 5Y. Then A inverse equal to 1 upon 11 into, we are getting this calculation. Now A inverse equal to, final answer we have, that is 1 upon 11 into, after doing simplification, I am getting this result. Sometimes they will ask to find A power 5. They will ask the question, you have proved this equal to null matrix, and hence find A power 5, and hence find A power 5. This also they can ask question. So how can you find A power 5? Already you have means, and hence means with the help of this one. Already you have A cube and A square. Simply you have to multiply by A cube by A square. Now here see, how can you find A power 5? Already we have A cube minus 6A square and then plus 5A plus 11I equal to, we have proved equal to null matrix, then multiply by A square throughout, that is A cube minus 6A square, then plus 5A and then plus 11I equal to 0. Then open this, you will get it A power 5. Take it rest of the terms to that side, directly you will get A power 5. So they can ask 2 questions, and hence find A inverse they can ask, otherwise and hence find A power 5. If they ask A power 5, you cannot do directly A square into A cube. You cannot do it. Hence means you have to use whatever you have proved. With the help of that one, you have to find A power 5. So like this, you have to do it. So here we will get it A power 5. Now take rest of the terms to that side. Automatically you will get it A power 5. This question was asked in board, and hence find A power 5. Clear to you? So similar question, next question, that's you have to do homework. Are you clear, better? Say yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
This is simply calculation topic. So I cannot do anything here. So be alert, everyone. So do it very carefully. Do it very carefully. Do it better fast. If you have done, then tell me yes. Calculation you have to do your own. I think up to 13 question we have done yesterday. Now let me do it question number 14. That is one of the most important question. So I hope so you are clear how to find the a power 5. So whatever I am giving question number 16 inhibitor, that question and hence find a inverse, also find the a power 5. You have to add it question number 16 because I told you this question was asked in board and hence find the a power 5. So question number 16, find a inverse as well as a power 5. Both you have to do it. Okay. Now I am taking question number 14. Question number 14, you have to write, find numbers A and B such that something equal to a null matrix and hence find A inverse. This question also asked by board 6-mark question, but they asked and hence find A inverse. So you have to add it one more sentence and hence find A inverse. But have you written this one? Write fast, beta. Write fast. So what I told you, question number 16, you are finding A inverse as well as A power 5, both. Yes, beta. Do it a calculation in your own. Have you done beta? Yes, ma'am. Yes. Now listen beta. Next I am taking question number 14. 14th question, what they have given A matrix. This question asked by board 6-mark question. Now see A matrix is equal to this. Find A and B. The condition is this A square plus A into A plus B into I equal to null matrix and hence find A inverse. You have to add it and hence find A. So first I am finding A square, A into A. Don't do directly square. That's why I'm writing again. A cube means A square into A square means A into A. So that is equal to 3, 2, 1, 1. Beta, you also can do it calculation fast. Now that is equal to what we will get it here. 9, calculation how to check it. 9 plus 2 and then 6 plus 2 and then here 3 plus 1. Then 2 plus 1. That is equal to here we have 11, 8, 4 and then 3. A square. Now the condition what they are saying A square plus A into A plus B into identity matrix equal to null matrix. This implies A square we have 11, 8, 4, 3 plus A into A matrix multiplied by A, that is a 3A, 2A and then A and then A. Now plus B into identity matrix. Identity matrix you go for order 2 by 2. The understood, never say this is 2 by 2 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. Even if they say here simply this B, that's understood into identity matrix, we have to write down. Okay, that's why we go for 2 by 2 matrix. So into B if I do, so that is a B0, 0B. That is 1, 0, 0, 1. I have multiplied by B here. That is equal to null matrix they have given here. Condition is this given, that is 0, 0, 0, 0. Understood. Now if I simplify this implies what I'm getting 11 plus 3a plus b and then 8 plus 2a plus 0. I'm adding corresponding element. Then 4 plus a plus 0 and 3 plus a plus b equal to, I'm getting null matrix. If I equate corresponding element so that I will get it. If I equate this element 8 plus 2a equal to 0, this implies a equal to, we will get it minus 4. Okay, fine. Now if I equate this one 3 plus a, that is up to your choice, this one or this one, that is up to your choice. 3 plus a plus b equal to 0, this implies a value is minus 4. If I keep minus 4, b value is, we will get it 1. So therefore what we are getting, we are getting a square plus a into a plus b into I equal to a square plus a value is minus 4a and then b value is 1. So 1 into I, that's equal to null matrix. Under this condition, we have find this value of a and b. That means we have this equal to a square minus 4a plus identity matrix equal to 0. So you don't want to prove under this condition only we find the value of a, value of b, because they have given equal to null matrix. Okay, fine. Now and hence find a inverse. We have proved this equal to 0 already given. So now I am multiplying both sides by, that is 4a or plus identity matrix equal to both sides by a inverse. So this implies we will get it a direct. I am writing 4 into I plus a inverse into I, a inverse equal to null matrix. This implies a inverse equal to 4i minus a matrix. And now I need this a inverse equal to 4i, 4 0 0 4. Understood? And then minus a matrix is given, that is 3 2, then 1 1. Now we will get it 4 minus 3 1, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 4 minus 1 3. But if you want to cross check, you can check it already. I told you shortcut method. A inverse equal to, what is the formula? 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Determinant A is 3 minus 2 1. Adjoint of A, how to find? Interchange main diagonal 1 3 1 3. Change sign of non-diagonal minus 2 minus 1. So we got your final answer. So this question asked by board 6 mark question. Nothing. This is quite the easiest one. Just to simply understand, if we are finding this A inverse through elementary operation or otherwise minor cofactor, that completely 3 marks will be deducted. That's keep in your mind. Clear? Beta, are you clear? Say yes, no. No down, beta. Fast, please. If you have written, say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Now, I told you, beta, question number 16 is a homework, but I told you question number 16, you have to add it what? And hence, find A inverse and also A power 5. A power 5, I told you, both sides you have to multiply by A square, whatever you are getting result, then A power 5 equal to, you bring it the answer. That question was asked in board 6 mark question. Okay. So you should have patience do this question for calculation. That's keep in your mind. Now next I am discussing just the last 2 questions, then we will pass on next exercise. Now see beta question number 17. If A is a non-singular, what is the meaning of non-singular beta? What is the meaning of non-singular? Beta, please immediately say answer. What is the meaning of non-singular? Say yes, beta. What is meaning of non-singular? Do you know answer? Non-singular means determinant A not equal to 0. Singular means determinant A equal to 0. Yesterday I derived all the formulae. Now, let A be a non-singular matrix of order 3 by 3. Then determinant of adjoint of A equal to, what is the formula beta? Determinant of adjoint of A equal to?
Determinant A square.
Determinant A square. The formula was determinant A power n minus 1 as per that determinant A square. Well done, better. Now see next question number 18. A is invertible matrix. Then A determinant of A inverse equal to? Better determinant of A inverse equal to, yesterday I don't know whether I have given the result or not. 1 by determinant of A. Write down this result. This also one more question asked by board. Determinant of A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A. Okay, fine. Now, beta next. आप मेरे साथ साथ लिखोगे whatever I'm dictating. Okay. Now next write solving linear equation. Beta everybody please start write. Solving linear equation. Solving linear. Linear means degree must be 1. Solving linear equation. A linear equation by matrix method. By matrix method. Now see, so what is linear means? I told you degree is 1. So what is matrix method? So here there are 3 equations. I am considering 3 linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal d1, then a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, and then a3x plus b3y and then c3 plus c3z equal to d3 are any 3 linear equation. Now using matrix method, how to solve this equation? That means we have to find the value of x, y, and z. So how to solve? Now this system can be written as in the matrix form. A matrix equal to collect all coefficient of x, y, and z, that is a1, b1, c1, and then a2, b2, c2, and then a3, b3, c3. Now the variable is we are giving the name x matrix, that is x, y, z, and then equal to the constant matrix we are writing, that is equal to d1, d2, d3. Then the system can be written as A into x is equal to b. Beta A into x matrix equal to b matrix. See, A into x, a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to b matrix corresponding d1. First equation, got it? Now second row, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2. Second equation. Third equation, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. So the system can be written as in the matrix form like this. Now we can present A into x is equal to the entire equation. We can write A into x is equal to B matrix. Implies x is equal to, we need value of x, that is x, y, z, implies x is equal to, A is left side, then take it, A goes to that side, A inverse into B, where A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, and determinant of A not equal to 0. This we have seen yesterday how to find A inverse. Now what I told you, the system can be written as A into x is equal to B, where x is equal to A inverse of B, where A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So using minor cofactor, not elementary operation. I told you unless until if they ask using elementary operation, go for elementary operation. Otherwise you have to use minor cofactor. You know how to find A inverse. Then we will solve, find the value of x, y, z. Are you clear? Write down fast. I want to give some notes. Write down better. Fast write down please. At least one question we will solve.
Excuse me मैम.
हाँ बेटा.
मैम 12th की अभी इंग्लिश की भी चल रही है तो वो अटेंड कैसे करेंगे?
कोई बात नहीं, मैं उनसे बात कर लूंगी बेटा, उनको बोल दूंगी क्लासेस टाइम टेबल थोड़ा चेंज करके दे दूंगी, ठीक है? yesterday I told भारती, I informed भारती बेटा, ठीक है? आपको टाइम टेबल चेंज करा के you will not get any loss.
Okay मैम.
Have you done better?
Yes ma'am.
Yes. Now I'm giving some remark better. Write down remark. One of the most important remark I'm giving at the time of solving this linear equation. What precautions we have to take? What notes we have to keep in our mind? That's I'm giving. Right remark. Remark number 1. If determinant A is not equal to 0, if determinant A not equal to 0, then the system means whatever 3 equations we have written, then the system is consistent, then the system is consistent and it has unique solution, when if determinant A not equal to 0, then we say then the system is consistent and it has a unique solution. Number 2, if determinant A equal to 0, then we cannot leave the question. That means A inverse does not exist. Then what we have to do? Then find the adjoint of A into A. Then find the adjoint of A into B matrix. Adjoint of A into B matrix. Which one is a B matrix? No, whatever equal to given, that is a B matrix. You know how to find the adjoint of A. In case if you are getting determinant A equal to 0, then you have to find the adjoint of A into B. Now there are two cases arise. If adjoint of A into B, adjoint of A, I will give you example, okay. Adjoint of A into B is not equal to 0, then the system is inconsistent, and it has no solution, and it has, in case if it is not equal to 0, then the system is consistent, inconsistent, and it has no solution. Okay, fine. In case if you are getting if adjoint of A into B, I told you I will give example for all this 3 remarks, okay. Adjoint of A into B equal to 0, then the system is consistent, and it has infinitely many solutions. Maybe one more question also they will ask, infinitely many solution. Okay, so what I have given 2 notes here. Number 1, if determinant A not equal to 0, then what will arise? If determinant A equal to 0, what cases will arise? If determinant A not equal to 0, then the system is consistent and it has a unique solution. If determinant A equal to 0, that means here we will get value of x, y, z. If determinant A equal to 0, we cannot say A inverse does not exist, but we cannot leave the question. This is 6 mark. Then you have to find the adjoint of A into B. As per adjoint of A into B, we will get answer. So if adjoint of A into B not equal to 0, then there only question is finished. Then the system is inconsistent and it has no solution, means we cannot further move that question. In case if you are getting adjoint of A into B equal to 0, then the system is consistent and it has infinitely many solution. How we are getting infinitely many solution, that's I will take example. Note down fast, hurry up. Bit of fast, hurry up. Just I will take one question for this linear equation. Have you written it? Say yes, no? Write fast? No. Have you written? I'm taking straight away one 3 by 3 question right now. Then I will take one 2 by 2 question. Then different method I will explain tomorrow. Shall I raise it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now better take your exercise, that is page number 136, exercise number 4.6, page number 136, exercise number 4.6, 1 6 mark question is 100%, not 99%, 1 6 mark question definitely will come from this exercise. Now, beta, first I'm taking first question number 11. But let you know how to solve this equation. Then I will take all the questions. I will discuss with you. I'm taking question number 11. Solve the linear equation using matrix method. 2x plus y plus z equal to 1, and then x minus 2y minus z equal to 3 by 2, and then 3y minus 5z equal to 9. Because I told you 1 6-mark question definitely they will ask. Just to take one, let me take one example of a question. That's I'm taking question number 11. Now, first you have to do one thing. The system can be written as A into, first you have to collect in the matrix form. Okay, fine. Now, A matrix, we will get 2, 1, 1 order wise. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Here there is no x, write it 0, 3 minus 5. Then X matrix, I told you variable give name X, Y, Z, and then constant you have to give name B matrix, that is we have 1, 3 by 2 and then 9. Clear? Okay. Now the system can be written as AX is equal to B implies X is equal to, if you are missing this step, then you will lose 1 mark. Up to this, they will give 1 mark. AX is equal to B, this implies X is equal to A inverse B, where A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, fine. Now, so for this A inverse, we have to find the first what? Adjoint of A. That is a determinant of A. Determinant of A equal to what we will get in determinant of A. That is 2 into, very carefully you have to do calculation. Better you have to check here is also 10 plus 3 and then minus 1 into delete corresponding row column minus 5 and then plus 1 into this 0, that's why I didn't write, plus 1 into delete corresponding row column 3, then this is 0. Now we are getting 13, 26 and then plus 5 and then plus 3. So we are getting 31, 36 is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Okay. Now we have to find the minor cofactor, that is M11. M11. First I am finding M11, delete row column, 10 plus 3, 13. Okay. Then M12, that is equal to M12, otherwise if you here write it M12, that is equal to, delete corresponding first row, second column, we will get minus 5. Okay, now M13.
Total will be 34.
Which one better?
Yes,
this one?
ma'am.
This one? 31, 34. Yes, exactly. Well done, better. Well done. So calculation, you have to check it. Now 13, we will get it first row, this third column. So we will get it 3. Now M23, M21, then M22, then M23 we required. Now 21, second row, first column, minus 5, minus 3. Better calculation, please check it. Now 22, second row, second column, minus 10. Then 23, that is 2 or 3, 6 minus 0, 6 we will get it. Then next we have to find M31, then M32, then M33. So we will get what we will first 3 or 1, minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2, we will get it 1. Then 3, 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. I told you calculation how to check it. 3, 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 5. Now I will find corresponding cofactor C11, C12, C13. Then here we required C21, C22, then C23. Then here we required C31, then C32, then C33. Now what I told you, if it is even same sign, if it is odd opposite sign, if it is even same sign, then odd opposite sign, then even same sign, odd opposite sign, opposites minus 6. Okay, don't do any mistake, otherwise you will get confusion better. Now here we will get it 3, 1. This is even same sign, odd opposite sign, even same sign we will get it. So directly I am writing here what I am writing, that is adjoint of A. That is adjoint of A equal to what I told you, directly write down column wise, 13, 5, 3, then next one 8, minus 10 and then minus 6. I should not do any calculation mistake, otherwise we will not give answer, get answer better. So 3 minus 5. Okay. Now A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now determinant A we have 34. Now 1 upon 34 into adjoint of A, 13, 8, 1, 5 minus 10, 3, 3 minus 6 minus 5. Now final, so no need to open this bracket 34. Please do not open this bracket. Okay, now x is equal to, we have the final result A inverse B. A inverse we have 1 by 34 into 13, 8, 1, 5 minus 10, 3, 3 minus 6 minus 5. Into B matrix we have 1, 3 by 2 and then 9. Very carefully how to do the calculation. X means x, y, z. Now that is equal to 1 upon 34, keep it outside. This is a 13. Now 4 3s are 12, beta calculation साथ रहेगा, plus 9. Then next row 5 into 1, 5. So this is, if we cancel, minus 5, minus 15, then 27. Now next 3. Now minus 3 we will get minus 9, 5. So that is equal to 1 upon 34 into, ये क्या result आएगा बेटा? This one is how much? 34? 34. Okay, next one, tell me better. This one, 10, 17. 17, am I right? Okay. Now this is again, I think 6, this is minus 6, minus 51. Isn't it better? Isn't it? Now x, y, z, you have to check the calculation better, please. 1 upon 34. Now I am opening this 34, we will get it 1. Now this we will get it 1 upon 2. And this we will get it, what we are getting, 3 upon 4. 3 upon 2. Better calculation, tell me. Minus 51 by 34. Simplify, we will get it what? Check it better, check it. 42, 51. If you simplify, what we will get it? 3 by 4? Yes, better. Tell me calculation, yeah.
3 by 2.
3 by
Minus
2.
3 by 2.
Minus 3 by 2. Okay, fine. So therefore, x is equal to 1 and y equal to 1 upon 2 and z equal to minus 3 by 2. Finally, see, this is 6-mark question. So how you know your answer is correct or not? So you have to do one thing I'm doing here. You have to do one thing. Verify in any one equation. That equation must contain 3 variables. So you cannot check a third equation so that you cannot check about value of x. So you have to substitute x, y, z. Either equation 1 or equation 2. That is up to your choice. If I keep equation 2 or equation 1 I'm keeping here, that is equation 1 is, what is equation 1? That is 2x plus y plus z equal to, I should get 1. If I keep instead of x is 1, if I keep instead of x is 1 by, y is 1 by 2 and z is minus 3 by 2. If I do this, that is equal to, what I will get it, this is minus 1, that is equal to 1. Yes, exactly. We have taken LHS, we are getting. So your answer is perfectly all right. So what I told you, solving this linear equation, you should not skip any single step. That's keep in your mind. First you have to write the system can be written as like this. Then you have to write down this step. Then first you have to find first don't find a minor cofactor. And for finding this inverse, it should not use elementary operation, only minor cofactor. First you find the determinant of A that not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Then minor, then cofactor, then adjoint, then inverse. Then value of x. At last I told you, when you are getting value of x, y, z, immediately you should verify whether your answer is correct or not. Because it is a 6-mark question, don't take a risk. Clear beta? Samajh aaye? Bolo?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write down beta fast, hurry up. Write down fast. So you have to do one thing beta, question number 12 and 13, 14. 3 questions you have to do homework. Question number 12. Question number, please do homework. Otherwise it is quite difficult. You cannot understand. I know some students are taking very seriously. I don't know what about others. So be alert. I'm saying here question number 12, 13, 14 is a homework. 4.6, question number 12, question number 13, question number 14 is a homework. Now let me take one 2 by 2 question. Write down fast. If you have written, say yes, beta. Have it done? Say yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Everybody have done? I'm taking one 2 by 2 matrix. You write down beta, just I'm erasing this side only. I'm taking question number 7, 8, 9, 10. That two more question, one 2 by 2 question, any question let me take. I'm taking question number 9. So you have to do question number 7, 8, 10. Then 11 I have done, 12, 13, 14. That means 7 to 14, whatever I have done, remaining question you have to do. Otherwise, you cannot get to practice better. Please do it homework. Now equal to 3, that is 3x minus 5y equal to 7. This is last question. Okay, fine. Now do it fast, everybody. Time is running now. Now, anyhow system can be, it is so simple. 4 minus 3, 3 minus 5. Then x is equal to, what is it? xy. Then B matrix is equal to, we will get it 3, 7. Now listen better. Ax is equal to P. B implies x is equal to A inverse B, where A inverse equal to, you should write down this 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, where determinant A not equal to 0. Now I'm finding minor cofactor. Now M11, M12. That is, it is so easy. 1, 1. If you delete corresponding row column, we will get it a minus 5. Then 1, 2. 1 out 2, 3. Then if I find the M21, that is 1, 2 means this first row, second column we have, then 2, 1 we get minus 3, then M22 we get, that is a 4. Okay, now corresponding cofactor C11, C12, C21, then C22, that is equal to 1, 1, same sign. Then this is opposite sign, this is also opposite sign, this is same sign. Now, so adjoint of A, do not use here a shortcut method. Only I told you AB whole inverse equal to B inverse inverse. There you can use a shortcut method. Adjoint of A equal to minus 5 minus 3 and 3, 4. Okay, fine. Now the A inverse equal to, shall I erase this one? Better write down fast, time is running. Now A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A, adjoint of A. So A inverse equal to what we will get it? 1 by determinant A. Determinant A, we didn't find, first you have to find determinant A. So I'm writing determinant A beta here, that is minus 20 plus 9, that is equal to minus 11. So minus 1 upon 11 into, that's we have adjoint minus 5, 3, minus 3, 4. If you want to recheck, you can recheck, interchange Venn diagonal and change sign of non-diagonal. That's we have 1 upon determinant A into. Now x is equal to A inverse B. So that is equal to minus 1 upon 11 into minus 5, 3, minus 3, 4 into B matrix. B matrix we have, that is 3, 7. Now that is equal to minus 1 upon 11 into minus 15 plus 21 and then minus 9 plus 28. If I do calculation 1 upon 11 into, this is how much beta 6. I don't know whether the answer is correct or not. This is, we will get here 20, 19. 19, this calculation is correct. 21 and then, so x is equal to, we are getting minus 6 by 11 and y equal to minus 19 by 11. You have to check it whether your answer is correct or not. You should come to me. Hello.